What's up, guys? First video of the new year coming at you here. It's like 30 degrees. It's Friday night. What better way to spend my Friday night than working in the garage? And I can't show you all that, but not even working on the car, but more so working in the garage. Let me show you guys what I have stacked up in the back of the Suburban. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a lot. It goes down pretty far of plastic garage flooring. They are 1 foot by 1 foot tiles. I have over 400 square feet here. You got the little edge pieces and all that stuff. So tonight I'm going to move the 3000. I can't show you guys yet because I don't want you to see the color out of the garage, and I'm going to start doing this side. So I did some shifting. The car is out in the driveway here. Crack the truck open. All right, so you can probably see there. That's how high the stuff is stacked up. They are square foot sections, 16 sections per giant square. They're already grouped together, and I'm going to put them in the garage. Now, originally when I got them today, I was like, oh, I'll just do where the car goes. I'll get rid of the carpet and stuff like that. Then I was thinking, I'm like, it'd be way cooler if I was able to do it wall to wall and basically cover the entire garage. Now, as you can see, and as you guys have seen in other videos, my garage is always a mess. It's always cluttered, and there's a ton of stuff and parts and things like that. So I think my approach is going to be starting in this corner, moving all of that stuff out, get a row done across the lockers, and then kind of working my way down the garage and then just spreading out until the entire side of the garage. And it's 30 degrees out. It's so cold. I don't feel like taking stuff in the garage and out of the garage. So I'm gonna try and just like move stuff from one side, and then when I go put it back, organize it, and then move stuff from the other side over onto the flooring, organize when I put it back and all that. And at the end of this, I hope to have a cleaner garage. That'll be nicer. It's so cluttered right now. I gotta find some homes for some things and stuff like that. So let's get started. I'm gonna rip this carpet out and start moving a couple things out into the driveway. And oh my God, I'm just looking at my car in the driveway right now. It looks so good, so good. Oh my God, it looks insane. I can't stop staring at it. But I'm super excited to show you guys the car. And the reason this clip is in black and white is because I just accidentally showed you the car back there. So I'm super excited to show you guys the car at the Philly Auto Show. So come out February 2nd. Through the 10th, I think. It's a Saturday all the way through to the following Sunday. Come see the car in person. We'll have a video and all that. Brandon's coming up, if you remember from the Florida video, from the old auto show videos. My buddy Brandon that lives in Florida, he's coming up. So we're gonna, be getting into some stuff while we're up here. So let's start with all this crap. Got this corner all cleaned out, the fishing rods and stuff like that. And I laid the first piece. Fits in there nice and snug. And I'm basically going to, and that's 16 individual squares. I'm basically gonna go across. I think I can get 2 more over here, and then start working my way out. So I'll get back to you guys once I get a little more of this done. All right, so I'm almost done the garage. I have all of this area done, all the way up to the front here. Under the tires, moved everything off the wall and got it all up to there. I only have this square left to do here. I'm gonna get all this done, and then my big 2 filing cabinets here, I'm gonna have to take everything out of them once I get to that point. So I'm gonna do like this area here and basically put the whole garage back together how it was, and then move forward with emptying this out and finish out the rest of the garage. I have a lot of extra here, but we'll find use for it. All right, the garage has a new floor. It's done. Everything is put back in. We got the floor to come right to the edge. I got some edging pieces that I'm gonna put here. But there it is. Everything is cleaned, organized. I have a lot more space for the car, especially down over here and up there in the corner. But yeah, this looks pretty awesome. A lot better than the carpet. I'm gonna lay a piece of carpet right here where the engine sits, just in case of any like leaks or anything like that. And then I might continue it on out in front of the fridge and to that side. So it looks good, done. It's freezing cold, it's like 28 degrees. But it's only 9:30. Just kidding, it's 10 o'clock. This didn't take too long. I started at like 6:30, so 3.5 hours. A lot of cleaning, a lot of trash. And I'm happy with it. Looks good for a spur of the moment, last minute project. Now I have to get back to wrapping the car because there is like 2 weekends left after this weekend until the cars be ready for the auto show. My wide fender should be here next week, and hopefully next week. They keep pushing it back a week here and there, and I'm gonna have to get those mounted onto the car. And then other than that, it's just finishing up. I have to finish wrapping the side skirts, the bumpers, and that's about it. When the rear quarters come, I'll wrap the quarters and put them on. And then it's just a couple other little things, clean the car up for the auto show. We gotta cut some logo vinyl and things like that. But you guys will be seeing that as it comes. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little garage video, and subscribe to the channel. Hit 1,000, that's awesome. I'll have a 1,000 subscriber video soon, and I'll see you guys next time.